Meaning of fluorescence.
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 Fluorescence. Fluorescence refers to the emission of light by a substance that has absorbed light or other electromagnetic radiation. When a fluorescent material absorbs energy, it temporarily enters an excited state and then emits light as it returns to its ground state. This process is characterized by a specific wavelength of light emitted, which is typically longer than the wavelength of the absorbed light. The resulting fluorescence can be used for various applications, such as in microscopy, medical imaging, and environmental monitoring. It is also commonly used in the manufacture of fluorescent lamps.